Ano ba yan? Kumain na! Okay, so today we're gonna have tacos for dinner. We ordered our favorite tacos. Yes, baby. Can you guys guess? It's from Poblacion. No more na. We ordered birria tacos. I ordered elotes. I wanted to get horchata, but they didn't have any anymore. Casey's gonna have cheese quesadilla. Elotes gonna be a side dish. And then the birria taco is for me. Because I love their cheesy birria tacos. You want elotes? Do you know elotes? Do you want some elotes? This is their elotes. We're gonna get... This is the birria. This is the sauce, actually. So we're gonna try the elotes. As expected, it tastes good. Elotes. Ikaw daw, oh.
Hello? Hello? Ghosty.
Wag kang maka yung mata.
Sige, ASMR. Do that. Sige, do this, oh.
Lahat ng kalokohan ni Sige natutunan niya.
Ano to? We are gonna eat Mexican food ba? Nakaka-oven ba yun?
Ba't kasi hindi na lang tacos?
Oh my God. Hindi naman kasi tacos yun.
Ang birria.
We're gonna eat.
Pwede Mexican.
We're gonna eat. Basta we're gonna eat. Sige, take the mic. Like this.
Ano ba yan? Kumain na! Birria is so juicy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye vlog. Bye-bye vlog. Say bye-bye to the people. Sige, say bye-bye people.
Bye-bye.
That's the quesadilla.
Kainin na lang.
Mama.
Wow.
The only issue with tonight's food from OnlyFans is bakit wala kayong horchata?